Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your app with Adobe, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Creative Cloud on your device. Navigate to the Apps section to explore your installed Adobe apps. Identify the app you want to upgrade. Check for the Update option next to the app. Click on the Update button if it is available. Wait for the download to finish. Monitor the installation progress in the Creative Cloud window. Once the upgrade is complete, launch the upgraded app. Familiarize yourself with any new features introduced in the update. If necessary, explore the Adobe website for detailed release notes on the latest version. Adjust your workflow to incorporate any new tools or enhancements. If you face issues during the upgrade, check the troubleshooting section on the Adobe support site. Consider backing up your projects before installing major updates for extra security. Engage with the Adobe community forums for tips and shared experiences regarding the upgrade process. After upgrading, periodically check for new updates to ensure your app remains current. Take advantage of any new tutorials or resources provided by Adobe to maximize your app's potential. Finally, continue to incorporate your upgraded app into your regular workflow for improved efficiency and creativity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.